There is a specific kind of peace that settles over Guwahati just before dusk. Today, I wanted to capture that exact feeling in one single, uninterrupted take. Rolling out from home here in Chandmari, I didn't have a specific agenda. Just wanted to chase the evening light and see where the road leads. The city always feels a bit different at this hour. The daytime rush starts to fade and the temperatures finally drop. I decided to take the overbridge to cross over into Uzan Bazar, which turned out to be the best decision of this ride. This right here is why I love evening rides. The view from the ridge never gets old. The sky was putting on a show today. That perfect aesthetic blend of burnt orange fading into a soft blue. When you get a clear stretch of the road with a backdrop like this, you just have to let the bike cruise and take it all in. By the time I dropped down into Uzan Bazar, the sun had fully set. The sky shifted into that deep twilight blue, and the neighborhood started shifting into its nighttime rhythm. Seeing all the local cafes lighting up their storefronts gives the whole street this warm, welcoming vibe. It is the perfect aesthetic to end a ride on. Sometimes a simple single take ride is all you need to clear your head. I'll let the ambient sounds of the city take over from here. Thanks for cruising along with me. I'll see you on the next one.